Well, welcome back to my workshop. One of the machines I've got at the back of the workshop is a Cincinnati Tool and Cutter grinder. I bought this a couple of years ago. The serial number tells me it was made in 1942, and currently I've figured out how to sharpen chisels, plane blades, lathe tools and metal shaper tools. At the moment I'm still figuring out how to sharpen end mills. Really would like to find out how to sharpen end mills. So when I bought the tool and cutter grinder, it came with a trove of different fixtures and attachments. So I'm gradually learning out how I can use those, but I volunteer at the Ballarat Tool Library, and the Tool Library lends out chisels which I've sharpened up to a nicety, and then sometimes they come back with big gouges out of them, and I've got a couple this morning that I'm working on, and they were pretty abused, so I thought I'd put them in the tool and cutter grinder and clean them up. And I thought, well, while I was doing that, it would make a nice video. So here we go. So here is one of the chisels as it came back from being borrowed. And you can see it had been nicely sharpened, but it's come back with gouges out of the chisel, which obviously needs correcting. So I've got one very similar to this set up in the machine at the moment, and I thought I'd just go through the process of how I'm sharpening them. Fixture to cut a new face on the grinding wheel. The grinding wheels get a black mark on them and they rub rather than cut the metal. So I use this little thing to clean the wheel before I do the sharpening. This chisel is pretty close to being finished, just need a little bit of honing now, but all of the indentation on it and chipping has been removed, and it does a very quick job of it. Now this is the first of the chisels refurbished, and the nicks in the blade have been taken out, and it's looking actually quite good, and it probably took less than 15 minutes. So I'm going to do the second one now. The second one's still got some divots in the edge, but they will be fixed very soon. So this is the second chisel clamped into the holder. I've blackened the face of the chisel so I can see exactly where I'm cutting, and we'll give it a go and see how it goes. So there we have it, a 5-minute job, and another chisel has had the notches removed and it's ready to go back to the tool library.